In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set Outlook as your default mail app. By the end, any email links you click, like mail tow links on websites or the share to email option in apps, will open directly in Outlook, keeping your workflow simple and consistent. First, open the Windows search bar and type Settings. You can click the Settings app when it appears. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, pressing Windows plus I also opens Settings. Either way is fine. The goal is just to get into the Windows Settings panel. Inside Settings, use the search bar at the top and type Apps. Select the Apps section from the results. This is where Windows groups controls for installed apps and, more importantly for us, where default app choices live. In the Apps area, use the search bar again and type Outlook. When you see Outlook in the results, click it. This opens the page where Windows associates Outlook with specific actions and file types. If you don't see Outlook right away, double-check the spelling and make sure Outlook is already installed on your PC. On the Outlook page, you can set it as the default here. Depending on your version of Windows, you might see a Make Default button or a list of items, like MailTow and .eml, each with a current default app next to it. The idea is the same. Select Outlook wherever email-related items are listed. Choosing Outlook for MailTow ensures that clicking an email address launches a new message in Outlook. Setting Outlook for .eml files ensures saved email files open in Outlook too. Take a moment to confirm an Outlook is selected for each relevant entry, so everything routes the way you expect. If you're presented with a choice that mentions New or New Outlook, click New. You may see this prompt more than once across different items. Go ahead and click New each time it appears. This simply tells Windows to use the modern Outlook experience for those email actions. Once you've made those selections, you're all set. From now on, when you click an email link in your browser or choose to share something via email, Windows will open Outlook automatically. If you ever change your mind or need to review your choices, just return to Settings, Apps, search for Outlook again, and adjust the defaults the same way. Keeping Outlook as your default helps consolidate your communications and saves time every day.